All right,
Well,
any questions?
no, it's pretty clear. It's pretty clear.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so then the
Just
third thing is the just to talk about the midis a little bit. Basically, the midis are exactly like the minis. There's not much difference. I have. Oh, I was on the minis. Okay. I have to just take this out because I was sorting between files here.
mhm.
Okay. So the midis, there's the regular day. I'm just going to pull a regular day up here so you can see 13 months. Why do I have? I'll open this one. So on a regular day, this is what you did for the minis. The date would have been from January to December. That makes sense, right? From
Mhm.
January to December. Why am I getting that message? Oh, what is this? I thought I did this one. Oh, is this a Quark file? Yes. Oh, I opened a Quark file. All right, let's try again. A day in design file. DG. Okay. Right, so it goes from, and we actually had to add a day here so that it ends even, like there should be an even amount of pages, right? So we start January the 1st and we end, and I'm just going to open the file just to remind you that every day has a page to itself. So there's only these 2 pages. So every day has a page to itself, but because we have 7 days, it gets to be quite instead of 6 pages, it gets to be a bigger document. So that's what we did for the minis. But now in the midis, the 13 months midis, only the 13 month day 13 months. This is now going to be from, well, the ones you're working on, you have to check your Excel files. Some go from September to September, and some go from July to July. So just make sure you've got the right dates. This one went from July to July. So the begin rule started on June the 29th, because when you look at the date, the way I always remember it is Saturday and Sunday fall on a left-hand side. And you always want to start on a left-hand side. So you can't go July the 1st because the Monday is on the right. So you have to go back a page or 2 depending on what you're trying to start with. And so in this case, it's the 29th of June. And the end date,
it should be right.
yes. So if Saturday, Sunday is on the right, then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday would be on the right, right? Or it would be, yeah. So that's a little tricky, but even if you make a mistake, you can run it out, take a look, and you'll see, oh, I should have gone back, or I should have, done this or that. So, it's not a problem for you to run it out and check it. I wouldn't save any files at this point until the minis are done, but you can already prepare them, where you have to do the fractions and you have to do the page sizes, and all that cleanup stuff. You can already work on that and run it out if you want to take a look and make sure everything looks okay. But don't save them because we're going to run them out after the minis are finished.
So far we'll just prepare
sorry,
files.
go ahead.
No, so far we're going to just prepare files for running, right? Because it's a lot of housework in yeah.
Right. And then also, if there's a box cal in the file, you're going to want to set those dates as well. So it starts in July and it goes, on a page, and you have to end it probably in August. Otherwise, you wouldn't have even amount of pages.
Right.
Now, some of these, I'm going to send you an email in regards to this because some of the files, I'm just going to look here. You have a 13-month Spanish that goes September to September.
Mm-hmm.
And then it's a horizontal. But then there's also a day that's going September to September. So in that file, you will not need to have any front or back matter because you can steal it from the horizontal one once it comes out.
Mm-hmm.
But you might also have, I see here, there's an Italian day, but there's no, at 13 months, but there's no Italian day horizontal.
Mm-hmm.
So that Italian day will now need to have exactly what I've got here. It's got to have the box cal in there with the correct months, and it's got to, of course, have the main grid. The Flexis, I've added these phone pages to them, and it's always 14 pages, always 14 pages just before the last page. And because it's 416 pages, you should be able to, I think you should be able to know from your file if you're going to need to remove a page of notes. Like you might have to, in this blank page area, eventually you'll have some notes in there. If you end up going over or under your 416 or whatever the page count is, you might need to remove it from these blank pages.
Mm-hmm.
Or add it to the blank pages.
If this pages, you'd edit. Okay, I got it. You
You edit right
yeah.
here on this side. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Got it.
okay. So I'll make you a list of the files that you can already work on to prepare.
Mm-hmm.
And I've already created the InDesign file, so you just need to find it in that list, the Spanish and the Italian.
Yeah.
But there's going to be lots of red notes, messages to fix.
Yeah, I know. We'll see. How about fractions? Do use the same
Yes, so
numbers?
thank you for mentioning that. No, it's not exactly the same. So I will send you a chart of those. So thank you for reminding me of that as well.